This is SelfCare1. This is innovation that is revolutionizing the way we take care of ourselves. Imagine today when you go into your bathrooms, you have so many products for the scalp, for digestion, for the skin, so many products and so much waste for the family members. So this is an all-in-one system that's called SelfCare1. It works with one long duration cartridge that is more smarter than the printer cartridge, because in that cartridge you have 8 botanical oils that enable you to formalize what you need immediately. We have a mobile application that is connecting to the device, and there are 50 programs developed by pharmacy and doctors, experts, and these 40 programs enable up to 1,000 combinations. But it is really easy. You just have to go and swap and find a program. You've got a digestion issue, and then you get the solution based on your profile and your contraindication. So it's personalized, it's a new use, and it is sustainable because you have just one dose. And if you have a routine that lasts 7 days, the mobile application will coach you, tell you how to use it. Is it a skin application, is it inhalation, and remind you with notification when to take your dose. And it's for the whole family. One cartridge lasts 1 year, so it's really eco-friendly, sustainable, and very easy to use.